Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share a post or reel to your Instagram profile only. Now this is useful when you don't want your content to appear in the followers feeds or on Explore, but you still want it to be visible on your profile. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your phone. Once you have done that, tap on this plus icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to open the gallery in front of you. Make sure that the post option is selected. Now from your gallery, you just have to select that particular post or video which you want to post on your feed. After selecting it, you can add any audios or text overlays or filters on top of it if you want. Once you are done, press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now once you are here on this page, simply just scroll down and look for the option of audience or advanced settings. When you tap on it, you just have to look for the setting that controls where your content appears. You can enable the option that limits the distribution so that the post is shown only on the profile and not pushed to the followers feeds. Now this setting may appear as a toggle related to the feed sharing or the recommendations. You can see I have the option of everyone and the close friends, so I can select the option of close friends, and you can select the option of only me if it is available in your region. After selecting it, simply tap on the option of share in the bottom, and this way you will be able to share your post or the reel to your Instagram profile only. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.